In responding to Laura, you kind of glossed over the other mandatory cuts. I mean, the transportation. Okay. These are unlike anything you proposed last year. Are you going after food stamps? School lunches?
Let me go into the detail then. We propose welfare reform round 2. This is the Todd Rokita, Jim Jordan proposal, which says, let's take those principles of welfare reform that were extremely successful in getting people out of lives of dependency and back on their feet. That means block granting means-tested entitlements like food stamps, like housing assistance, back to the states so they can customize these benefits, have time limits, work requirements, the kinds of successful policies that made welfare reform so successful. We also propose agricultural reform, get savings from that, where we don't propose to have as much spending in the agriculture side, commodity side of the bill. That means crop insurance, direct payment reform. We also propose federal employee reform, where we think that federal workers should have to pay half of their pension themselves instead of having the private sector taxpayers pay for all of it. So, there's about 100 pages here of details, which are food stamp reform, welfare reform, federal employee reform, agriculture reform. I can go on and on the list, but that's the bulk of where those savings come from.